Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to solve one of the most annoying issues, that is Android keyboard not working. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. So, without wasting any further time, let's start the video. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix Android keyboard not working or showing problem with 7 best fixes. Solution 1. Restart your Android device. Sometimes just by restarting your device can solve the issue. So, why not try this once? To restart your device, unlock the screen of the phone. Press and hold the power button until a menu appears. Select Restart. Wait for the device to restart. After that, try to connect with the app again. It may solve your Android keyboard not working problem. Solution 2. Force Stop Android Keyboard. Android provides a convenient feature known as Force Stop. It allows users in order to stop any application that is acting weirdly. Thus, if you want to fix Android keyboard not working, then you can use this function. For this, you have to go to the Settings app on your Android phone. Then tap on App Management, App List, and tap on Android Keyboard app. Here you will find Force Stop option, just tap on it. Solution 3. Clear Android keyboard app cache and data. Whenever you come across app crashing, freezing, or not working issues on your phone, then once you should clear cache and data of that particular app. The same thing goes for Android keyboard as well. For this, you have to navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications or App Management. Here you will see all apps and find the Android keyboard app. On the apps page, choose Storage, and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. Finally, restart your phone. Solution 4. Check for system software update. Getting the latest software version is always a good idea because new versions bring many new features, security patches, and bug fixes. So, if a new software version is waiting to be downloaded, proceed with the download. Simply go to Settings, then find and tap on Software Update, and tap on Download and Install. Solution 5. Use third-party keyboard apps. Even when the Android keyboard not working after device OS update, you can use any third-party keyboard app. This will not solve the issue with the Android keyboard app, but it will allow you to type anything you want. You can go to Google Play Store and search for the keyboard app. You can opt for the Google Keyboard app or the Microsoft Keyboard app. After installing a third-party app, you should set it as the default keyboard app. This will ensure that the third-party keyboard app pops up instead of the Android keyboard app. Solution 6. Factory reset your phone. The last manual solution to fix this issue is factory resetting your phone. However, doing this will wipe out all data on your phone. So, make sure to create backup of your phone's data before doing this. In order to do this, open the Settings, then go to the System, and click on the Backup and Reset. At this time, tap on the Erase All Data option. Finally, click on the Delete All Data button. After doing this, restart your phone. Now, check if Android keyboard is now working properly. Solution 7. Use Android Repair Tool. If you are looking for a quick way to troubleshoot the keyboard not working on Android, then there is no better option than using the Android Repair Tool. It has the ability to fix many system errors and issues, such as the phone being stuck in a boot loop, update failure issues, black screen of death error, and many more. So, I will highly recommend you to use this tool to fix this problem. If you want to try this software, then click on the link given in the description box below. So, this is all about fixing Android keyboard not working. I hope these solutions will help you in resolving the problem. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users facing the same problem, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.